In this lesson, we move beyond technical skills and focus on responsibility. Open source intelligence, or OSINT, is powerful, but with power comes ethical obligation. Being able to collect information is not enough. We must also understand how to use it responsibly and safely. The purpose of this lesson is to help you understand the ethical foundation of OSINT work. Responsible investigation is not just about finding information, it's about protecting human dignity, ensuring safety, and following legal standards. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to recognize ethical risks and make informed, responsible decisions during investigations. Responsible OSINT means gathering and analyzing publicly available information without causing harm. It requires respecting privacy boundaries, verifying accuracy, and maintaining professional integrity. Just because information is publicly accessible does not mean it should be used recklessly. Ethical OSINT practitioners balance investigative goals with moral responsibility. Human dignity and safety. Every investigation involves real people. Protecting human dignity means avoiding harassment, exposure, or unnecessary public targeting. Before publishing or sharing findings, investigators must ask, could this information put someone at risk? Ethical OSINT prioritizes safety over sensationalism. Protecting victims in OSINT. When dealing with sensitive cases, especially those involving victims, caution is critical. Sharing identifying details, even unintentionally, can cause further harm. Responsible investigators minimize exposure, blur identities when necessary, and avoid re-traumatizing individuals. The goal is to inform, not to endanger. Avoiding harm through verification. Verification is not just about accuracy, it's about preventing harm. Incorrect identification, false accusations, or misinterpreted data can damage lives. Ethical OSINT requires double-checking sources, cross-verifying information, and documenting findings carefully. Speed should never replace accuracy. Ethical decision-making framework. Ethical challenges often require structured thinking. Before taking action, ask yourself, is this information necessary to publish? Does it serve the public interest? Could it create harm? A clear decision-making framework helps investigators remain professional, objective, and accountable. Following legal standards. Ethical OSINT must always align with legal standards. Different countries have laws regarding privacy, surveillance, and digital investigation. Ignoring legal boundaries not only undermines credibility but can also lead to serious consequences. Responsible practitioners stay informed about applicable regulations in their region. Regional considerations. OSINT laws and ethical standards vary across regions. What is acceptable in one country may be restricted in another. Understanding regional compliance requirements ensures investigations remain lawful and professional. Responsible OSINT is not just about what you can do, it's about what you should do.